Fast riders look smooth, but beginners gamble when they focus on having more momentum. Let me explain. I started out really slow, but I focused on having more momentum when I was trail riding, because if I didn't have more momentum, especially in the corners, there was no way I was going to keep up with faster riders, especially because I was on a slower trail bike like the XR200. However, if you just focus on having more momentum in the corners, and you're a newer rider, you're more likely to crash. While momentum is key, if you don't have the technique, the confidence, the comfort, riding faster in corners, you're not gonna stay in control. Simply put, if you're just trying to ride faster to increase your speed, you're increasing your risk. And while you might hear people say, oh, if you're not crashing, you're not trying hard enough, that's stupid. Most of us are not getting paid a salary to go ride a dirt bike. We're doing it because we want to have fun, but we also want to stay safe. We want to not get hurt because we need to work. We want to spend time with family and not be injured. It sucks being hurt. So if you're riding over your head all the time, just trying to ride faster, you're greatly increasing your risk of crashing. What I'm saying is, if you're focusing on momentum, aka speed, especially in the corners, but you're not confident, your front wheel, your rear wheel, they're washing out, you just don't feel comfortable, stop. Please stop. I don't want you to crash and get hurt. You need to change what you're doing. So what do you need to do instead? Well, you need to focus on proper riding techniques. You need to focus on comfort and confidence before speed and momentum. If you just skip the speed, you're going to increase your risk. It is possible to increase your speed without riding over your skill level. I know because I did it. I do crash occasionally, but that is not my goal. I'm not trying to crash, although I do dress for the crash because I like to stay safe. I focus on technique and comfort and confidence on the bike, and then you'll notice that you have more confidence to go faster while reducing your risk. Let me prove my point. Whenever you've gone out on a ride, you jump on your bike, you probably don't warm up like most of us. You just hop on and go. Do you feel comfortable at the beginning of your ride, at least compared to how you feel at the end of a 1, 2, 3 hour ride? Do you feel more confident and comfortable at the beginning of the ride or after? Well, I'm gonna guess as long as you're not like exhausted, you're gonna feel more confident in the middle or towards the end of your ride. So when are you gonna be riding the fastest? At least safely. It's probably gonna be towards the middle or the end of your ride. This is because your body hasn't warmed up, your bike hasn't warmed up, you're just going cold turkey onto the trails, and you don't feel comfortable. Your muscles are still tight, so you're probably gripping the bars a lot more, you're squeezing, you're gonna get whiskey throttle and arm pump a lot easier if you're trying to go full blast, 100% at the beginning of your ride. Whereas, if you let your body and your bike warm up for 10, 15 minutes, just staying relaxed, you're naturally gonna feel more comfortable and confident, allowing you to ride faster towards the end of the ride. You're able to do that without increasing your risk because you're still riding within your comfort zone. So how are you riding faster then? Well, you just feel more comfortable because you're more relaxed. Are you focusing more on speed or on improving your technique and confidence? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Kelly Fager from MXHideout. Stop surviving, start riding. Woo! Not a fan of whoops. I'm not a moto guy anymore, even though I'm riding a motorbike. Just happened to bring this bike here. Woo! Woo! All right.